Welcome back to our episode 5 or episode 4 of Bible series in Minecraft. This is my wife Katie. Say hello.
Hi.
We made a copy of this world. We started on live stream. So this world will have like our characters looking weird and different different textures and stuff, different zombies and stuff. Like we got some add-ons we put in the game, so we'll still be playing on the other world as well, but this is our fun world we can just goof off and have fun with. If you like this video, like, subscribe, comment, turn on notifications, be part of Dolphin Squad. Oopsies. Sorry. Hey!
Is this going on your dolphin squad, or is it going on the holy craft?
Well, I don't have a catchphrase for Holy Craft yet. People know my Dolphin Squad thing, but I will give them up to date and when I do try to figure out an intro for that. Yeah, this video will be on I think what I do is whoa, that's a pretty cool weird looking creeper. I'm thinking about doing is just taking both these videos and put them on both channels for now. So both get it. Hey, it's Beetle. Thank you, Beetle. Where'd you go? Baby bomb.
I'm going to the village. I gotta get more milk.
Hey, a fox. What is that?
Did you want to get this stuff today to make your lectern thing?
Yes, I want to do that. I want to finish up the church. I want to maybe search around, look for cool stuff.
The villagers look the same except for their noses move.
Twinch. Yeah, this is real. This is the realistic add-on that I thought was really cool to get.
The villagers look the same except for their nose. They have Squidward noses, and their noses move.
Get in there. Maybe they're Squidward family. I don't know.
You'll see what I mean if you come to the village. It's kind of funny.
Hey, dude, you look weird.
And the cows are derpy.
They look like actual cows. Hey, a pig.
Hey, you did come to the village. Look at the villagers.
Yeah, I saw them.
Look, watch their noses. It's so funny. They have Squidward noses.
I know, I see them. Anything in here? Oh, I'll take this stuff.
You have one coming in.
I know. Hey, Squidward. Where's your bikini bottom?
You see their noses?
Yeah. I recommend if you guys know what SpongeBob is.
Ugh.
Recommend.
I
recommend not watching it.
I used to love the show as a kid.
But it's up.
Where'd you go?
Over here with the golem. You don't see me?
Polar bear. Even the polar bears look more realistic.
I like it. It's really cool. It's different as well.
I don't see where you is. Did you get more milk?
I went up top. There's a hill on the backside of the village.
Oh, I see you.
I see a golem.
Did you get more milk?
No.
Why?
Because I'm looking at. I'm fascinated with all the these people are look more realistic.
Look at the kitties. Oh, he looks fluffy.
you said he looks fluffy.
He does. He looks fluffy.
Oh my goodness, there's no room on this stupid desk.
Well, maybe you should clean the clutter off of it,
Well,
good sir. Ooh, there's blue beds.
look at this. Where'd the golem go? Look at him. He looks like he's buff.
Oh.
Hey, Bob, don't look at him.
I did.
Uh-oh. Hey, Bunny. Look at this bunny.
You told me to look
Hey,
at
Mom,
him,
look
and
at
then I
this.
ran away. I can't find you.
I'm down here. Look for my name tag, you goofball. Yeah, you're going the wrong direction.
Mm.
I see bunny rabbits.
Oh, I see you. I'm not paying attention to the
Look at
golem.
the.
I'm coming to see the bunnies. Oh, he looks like a real bunny.
Boing, boing. I want to keep on exploring.
This looks really pretty over here.
The sky looks. Look at this. Look at the sun.
I can't find the sun.
Look straight up.
Well, I know that.
Where'd you? Baby, you're so slow.
I got distracted by how pretty this looks over here. I kind of want to go in this direction.
I want to go that direction.
Why not go over here by myself sometime?
Mm, mm.
I need to get more food.
Well, we need to. I want to go that way.
My hunger bar is gone and I forgot to get food.
I cooked some potatoes at home.
Yeah, well, I gotta get home before my hunger bar drops. Where are you going?
Home. Hey, a polar bear. Kind of looks like. It does look like actually like a polar bear. Hey, there's birdies. See the? You see the birdie?
Oh, he's cute!
I like the trees how they move. What's this? Wait a minute, this is a red panda, isn't it? Is it? Huh. Oh, you're a fox. Wait. Are you a fox? Yeah, you are.
I don't think this is the right direction. Where the heck is the house?
Baby bomb.
What?
I got to the house. Well, I found it. Where did you go?
I'm over by the village.
Come to
My
negative.
my hunger bar is very, very low.
Come to negative 617.
Yeah, that doesn't give me any information. I'm too old for these coordinate stuff.
It's the same way we first got to, you first got to the on the village.
I know how to get to the house, but the problem is with this new mod, everything is so cloudy. I can't see anything. Everything's foggy. So I can't even see the house like I could before.
Well, it's more realistic. I can take it off.
It is kind of like winter time though, because winter time has that icy breeze and it kind of makes everything look a little bit foggy.
Well, yeah.
I think I'm going in the right direction. No, I'm not, and I'm going to die before I even get home.
Where are your coordinates at?
Negative 655.
Well, I'm at negative 615, so you should. If you go the back, like you go the opposite direction you're going where you're going, you should be able to get to 616.
Yeah, well, I don't exactly have the. And now mobs are going to attack me. And I don't have the hearts. I can't run from them because my hunger bar is so low. What'd you do?
From pizza mode.
Ah.
Where are you 6 something? 650?
I went back to the village. I don't know where to go, and it's just because everything's so foggy. I can't. I should be
Eh,
able to see now that it's nighttime. But the thing is everything's so foggy. I can't even see the house. I'm sorry. I'm not trying to complain. I'm just trying to find my way back. I know where to go. It's just I can't see. Ah. Oh, ha ha, smart guy. Now you're melting the ice.
You'll go back. Hey, uh, your character's like doing a split.
Yeah, well, yours is too.
Well, then we're glitched.
I was not far at all, was I?
Well, yeah, you're at 650.
The problem is the torches are gonna melt the ice,
Oh well.
and then they're gonna fall into the ice.
Oh well. Then you go back and pick him up. I know a
Ah.
perfect catchphrase from my holy craft.
Oh, that's cute.
What?
When you sleep, have you seen what you look like when you sleep?
No.
When you sleep, you roll over on your side. Hold on, let me get a picture and I'll send it to you.
I got a perfect catchphrase for my second channel. Instead of being part of the Dolphins, we'll be a part of the Holy Craft Squad.
And then they can put a cross emoji in the chat.
Yeah. What I want to do is put like a. Don't run off, Missy. Where the heck is my phone?
I'm not. I'm sending you that picture.
I gotta find my. Oh, there it is. Josie, I'm on my way. You already got us already.
He probably sent it a little while ago, I would imagine. That was just your phone sending the message again that he had sent you earlier.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, I'll send you the picture so you can see what you looked like.
Starting to work on the church now.
Ah,
Will you send it?
I'm going to.
Okay.
I had to download it.
You gotta download it?
Yeah, off of the Xbox app.
Oh,
There you go.
that's weird. No, you have to download something off the Xbox.
save the picture off of, so I take the screenshot on the Xbox, like through my controller, and then it sends it to the Xbox app on my phone, and then
Oh,
I
that's
can go and
cool.
save the picture. What's cool?
Sleeping on side. That's why we do it in real life.
Yeah, it's cute. So it's more realistic because I don't think a lot of people. That should be the question of the day. Do you sleep on your side or do you sleep on your back? But it doesn't have to be the question of the day. It's your channel.
Hey, you just said the comment.
That's up to you. It's your channel. Whatever you want to do. It was just a question I had for people.
Oh, well, I'm gonna put that as the comment. How do you sleep at night?
My husband and I both sleep on our side. But do you sleep on your side or do you sleep on your back or your tummy?
Oh, your
How do you
head.
sleep? Well, I would hope you wouldn't sleep on your head. That doesn't seem
Or,
like that'd be really
or upside
comfortable.
down.
Oh my goodness.
Or sleeping standing up. There was one of the guys that I went to the men's camp. Noah. He sleeps. One time he slept standing up. The guy that does in the teen class
Yes.
in church. Yeah, he
Yeah.
sleep. One time he was up here. He was up there before. He slept like standing up.
Well, you probably was bored.
One time I accidentally slept on the toilet before.
No, dear. Let me guess, you got up to poop at like 5 in the morning and then you fell asleep.
It was at 2.
And then you fell asleep on the potty.
Yep. And my butt was numb the next day. So that's what happens when you sleep on the toilet.
Listen, mister, you wanted to go exploring.
I would want to face the church.
You don't know what you want to do you?
I
Hey, that crafting table looks cool. Looks like an actual table instead of a box.
Oh, it's the Tinker's Construct light version that it's you can try out if you like. You can buy it. I think it's really cool. It's like it gives you more stuff to get weapons and stuff. Oh, there we go. I'm looking for this stuff.
The only thing that hasn't really changed is the beds. The beds look the same.
I know. I wish they made them look like actual beds. Does it look the church look cool right now with this
I
kind of,
haven't seen it yet.
I'm still working on it.
Ew.
What?
Raw rabbit?
Yeah, you eat it's rabbit. You can make rabbit stew. You need carrots and I think mushrooms and stuff like that, and you can get
And then you gotta like cook the rabbit, I would
you
imagine.
cook the rabbit, put it in with the stew, and there you go.
Weird.
Hi, pig.
Bye, pig.
How's it going?
Are you keeping track of the time? I don't know how long you do your
I
Let's Plays
do
for.
my Let's Plays. I do between 20 to 25 minutes.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get this I want to make it tall enough so it can look cool. You want to put a bell tower on it.
You know, I still have your diamond axe.
What the heck?
You didn't get it back from.
Because I forgot to.
You want your diamond axe?
Yes. Please. But I'm up here right now, so you can't give it to me. I need some glass. Glass.
What the heck?
I do. Do you want glass in the church, or do you want all look like you're in a giant jail cell.
Mm, mm.
Perfect. That looks really cool. I like it how I'm doing this. I know I'm not the best at building stuff, but I'm doing what I can.
Mm, mm.
I figure, you know, the phantoms. I'm thinking the ghost, what's it called? Takes like replaces the phantoms with a ghost.
Me? Don't know.
Yes, they do. He's trying to tell you that.
Me needs a shovel.
Well, I'm sorry. Make one. Don't give me that attitude. We got iron in there. We got, I think we have iron and diamonds, but diamonds I want to keep where we
We
can.
don't need to waste no iron or anything. I'm just gonna make. I'm just going to make a regular stone one, except I can't see because the Xbox's big head's in the way.
Listen, the Xbox doesn't have a head. It just has a fan. Get it?
Oh,
Sorry, that was a cheesy joke. Hey, it's a beetle!
you're always cheesy.
Baby Mama Beetle's checking out the church. He wants to know if he
Maybe.
can. He wants to know if he can poop in it.
Ew, he needs to poop outside.
Thank you. I need some scaffolding, don't I?
What are you thinking? Who are you thanking for what?
Do we have bamboo? I don't think we do. That's
Why
right.
would we have bamboo? We live in the frozen snow tundra.
Oh,
We live in Alaska in Minecraft or New England in the winter.
that'd be a good, cool series after this one.
What?
Playing, playing, playing Minecraft in New England.
Well, it does remind me of our winters, long and cold. Well, they're
Sometimes it depends on.
yeah, they're kind of long.
It depends on what's it called. So the year, or like every month, or like every year, that it always changes.
Yeah.
We'll get more of these. Cool. We can use those. I need to take a fart. Baby mom. Baby mom.
What?
I farted.
Mm.
How do we do that with these beetles? You have to find them and then you capture them that way? I don't know. Oh, look at the fish. If you cook the fish, it is like it has a dead like a dead face on him. Time for bed. Alright guys, I'm gonna end this episode here. Thank you for watching. Please come back today's Monday, right?
Yes. But we're filming it a day early because
Yeah,
we're busy tomorrow.
yeah, come back every Tuesday for new episodes. Bye!
Goodbye! I stole your torch.
You got the torch.